Okay, boys and girls, for your independent work today, you are going to go back to your Friday folder. You should still be there. And you're going to click Try It. When you click Try It, it is going to take you here. You are going to listen to the story Ruby's Wish on Tumblebooks by clicking the book cover below. This story takes place in China. This book is based on a true story of a girl in China who grew up wanting to go to university at a time when girls were not allowed to go. I'm thinking of a connection to our article, Malala. After reading, respond to the following prompt in a discussion post. After posting, read through the comments posted by your peers and reply in writing to at least 2 of them. Okay. Author Shiram Yin Bridges wrote Ruby's Wish to tell the story of her grandmother. Do you think this story is important to tell? Why or why not? That is your discussion post. So you're going to click this book, which is going to take you to Tumblebooks. Once you are in Tumblebooks, you are going to hit play video. You are going to watch the story and listen to the story. Okay, it is just about 10 minutes long. When you are finished watching that story, you're going to go back to Schoology and you are going to type your answer to the discussion here. Do you think this story is important to tell? Why or why not? After you put your comment in and you post it, you need to comment on 2 other posts. If you are the first person to post and there is nothing else to comment, you need to keep refreshing by hitting the little circle with the arrow at the top of your Google Chrome tab. And then you will comment back to this.